Looking for something easy and low maintenance, yet vibrant and bold? Well, sis, stay tuned because I slayed this invisible part quick weave bob. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Jean Nicole, and today, sis, I'm going to show you how I slay this invisible part quick weave bob. So this is my braid pattern. Nothing hard, very simple. And I'm now going to go in with my glue protectant and a applicator brush, and I'm going to apply this product all over my perimeter. Now, this is where I want my part to be, so I'm not going to lay it on my part. I'm going to lay it all around my part, so when I cut my cap, it could be easily cut. Now I'm just going to saturate this area of my hair very thoroughly because I know with the invisible part, most of the glue is going to be in this area. So I just want to make sure that my natural hair is well protected. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply my first wave cap, and I'm just going to pull my cap down to where I can see my part, and I'm just going to repeat this whole process again. Okay, you guys, so this is my second wave cap, and I'm not going to add any more product this time. I am just going to take a comb and I'm just going to work this product in. I've put a generous amount of this product already in my hair, so I don't need any more. So I'm just going to take this comb and I'm just going to smash this into my head so I can see the product seeping through the cap, like so. Making sure not to get it on the part. And when you're done, you just want to sit under the dryer on cool until it dries completely. Okay, you guys, so I came from under the dryer. I was completely dry, and all I did was cut out my perimeter and I cut where my part was going to be. And I started laying my tracks like I'm doing right now. So you didn't miss anything important. That's all I done was cut out my perimeter and cut out my part, and I started laying my tracks. Okay, so now we reached the top where I'm going to be doing my invisible part. So what I'm going to do is take my welt and I'm just going to start slicing it in half. The reason I am doing this is because I want my invisible part to be as Guys think in the comment, would you rock this bob style? I mean, she's really cute. I don't really do color, but I'm really digging this color. And again, this is the 99J, and I'm using 2 packs of hair. This is the purple pack, and yes, that's their name, the purple pack. That's the hair company name. And yeah, I'm really digging her. So I mean, you guys, what do you think? Yes, so don't forget to like, comment,